It's 4:30 something and I cannot sleep. I literally noticed just a few minutes ago that I literally have a red eye. I don't know if you can see that or not. I should definitely sleep, but I'm not able to sleep, and I have so many thoughts going on in this head of mine. One of which is I did not enjoy Ganesh Chaturthi as much as I should have, as much as I wanted to. Okay, first of all, one of the biggest reasons is because I already saw everything online. I saw everything online. All my the entirety of my explore page was just this festival, right? So I saw all the Ganeshas that I would have wished to have found out about or have came across by myself, and then I would have felt proud ki, oh, I just found this Ganesha, like this is so amazing, and this is made out of paper, or these are made out of apples, or these are made out of walnuts, you know. But I did not organically come across Ganpatis that way, right? Because I already saw what is what, which Ganpati is where to find this, and how does this look, and how does this pandal look, and what's the experience like, and everything. I already saw everything. And for some people, for maybe most of the people, this excites them even more because if they see something, they want to go there. But to me, I already saw what is there to go now. Like I've already seen everything that I should have seen by myself without a trailer. But I have seen everything. Now my excitement has died down, and I don't even have enough motivation to visit pandals and go like Ganpati hopping and pandal hopping and everything, because I've already seen everything, like I've said for the 10th time. And this really frustrated me because I realized this right now when it's the end of this festival. Also, because I kept procrastinating that, oh, so I already know where this Ganpati is, so I can just go there and visit like today or tomorrow or whenever. So I did not have a time in my mind when I am going to go and visit, because I was like, I can go whenever I want, and I have time, and I already know what it looks like, and I already know where to go and what to expect. I already know everything, so I can just go whenever. And then I just ended up never going, and I only visited, like, I only saw four Ganpatis in the entire festival, which is like extremely low and sad, because one was in my society and two were Ganpatis of my mutuals that I went to their home and I just saw their Ganpatis, which was very cute. And I just saw in my nearby pan mandir, mandir, yeah, yeah. It's just I don't know if I regret anything, and I should have just gone regardless, but my excitement just died down, and it takes me a lot of motivation to do something, or else I just don't do it. And I love Ganpati. This is my favorite festival. You know why this is my favorite festival? Because Modak. Full stop. Modak. Actually, I ate a lot of modak, so that is something I'm very proud of. And actually, talking about modaks, I have always disliked the ukdiche modak, the rice modak with the coconut and jaggery filling. I have never liked those since, like, ever since I was a child, and I've always liked the modak, the white, yellow, pink, green wale modak. I even used to think, why would anyone want to have ukdiche modak? Like, girl, what? But I tried them this year, and I love, love, love them. And I realized that ukdiche modak is the OG modak. Ukdiche modak is the OG girl. It's the OG baddie. It's the real modak. The real modak. And I fell in love with ukdiche modak. And every night I slept thinking about ukdiche modak, and every morning I woke up and the first thing I would say is modak, 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 modak. And for the past 4 days, my diet is 99% modak. 99 because I had water and a little bit of juice or something, or like just some vegetable or something. But my breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner has been modak for the past 4 days straight, which is why I have used so many pimple patches. But I don't regret a single thing. I want to eat modak to the point that I am just disgusted by just looking at it. I need to have modak till that point, and I've already consumed like 40 to 50 ukdiche modak, and I'm not joking. I know this number because I had to order that amount of modak, right? So I know that I've already consumed 40 to 50 ukdiche modaks in just the span of this week. Anyway, the whole point was not that. The point was that I got demotivated by seeing everything online because everything was just put on a platter for me to watch. And then I already knew everything, and it felt like I've already visited the place. I've already seen everything. There's nothing else to see. Because it was not that I saw everything once, I saw everything 10 times. Everything 10 times. Like that Parelcha Raja, I saw that video like more than 10 times. And because each of the video had millions of likes and just kept coming on my page, so I have seen each Ganpati at least 10 times. Yeah. And people were really creative this year too. Like, I would have loved to organically find these Ganpatis myself. You know, they were really creative this year. Really, really, really. It felt like the whole world, and at least the entirety of Maharashtra was celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi hugely, and I was just not a part of it. And I have no one to blame. So I'm just gonna blame social media. But I, it felt like everyone is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi except me. It felt like everyone was visiting pandals, everyone was making videos about it. Each influencer was going, everyone was going to Lal Bagh Cha Raja, which Lal Bagh Cha Raja I don't regret. It's wet too, it's too crowdy and not safe. But everyone was going everywhere, and the Visarjan this year was also huge, iconic. Like, I was not a part of a single thing which went viral in this festival this year. I did not see a single iconic Ganesh Chaturthi's moment with my own eyes. I only saw it online. And I guess that was enough because my motivation died. My curiosity died. Yeah. I shouldn't have this much energy in the middle of the night, right? Like at 4:30 a.m. But I do, because this is something which I kind of regret, which I kind of would like to reverse and actually visit. And whatever, you know what I mean. I hope there are more people like me who agree to this, and we just need to create a community and just go together next year to every place. Yeah, that's all I have to say about this. And I hope my red eye is gone when I wake up if I sleep. I hope I sleep. I don't know what's up with me. I can make a whole video about not sleeping. I think I will do that. Okay, bye.